So we're back talking about SI pain and some exercises that can kind of help to relieve that pain that you're experiencing. So 3 different ones. We're going to work on targeting glutes and posture and then your core. So the first one I like to call a pickup. It's basically the same thing as a Romanian deadlift, but I want you to get in the habit of picking things up off the floor this way. So like say you were to pick up a laundry basket or a box, I really want you to get used to activating your glutes instead of bending down like this to pick something up. You really want to have good posture here in picking that up. So what you're going to do, and I'm using a 10-pound kettlebell, but you can start with whatever works for you, okay, is you're going to have that item down here. And you're going to keep a straight line from your ear to your hip, okay? And you're going to exhale as you come up and squeeze your glutes to the top. So inhale to lower. Exhale to lift and squeeze your glutes at the top. Okay, so I'm going to show you from here too. I'm going to inhale. Feel that glute and hamstring stretch. Exhale to come back up and squeeze. Okay, so make sure that you're keeping your your back engaged as well. You're not letting your shoulders arch forward. So that's the first one. The second one, you can use a TheraBand or you can use something like this as well, but you're going to step into it with your feet. Okay, so this is going to be a row. So you're going to come into a good position here, making sure that you're not arched in your back, but you're a nice neutral position here. Okay, you're going to take an inhale. As you exhale, you're going to row back. Okay, so what I don't want you to do is elevate your elbow past the level of your shoulder. What that's going to do is just put your shoulder in a forward rotation. So what you want to do is feel your scapula gliding around your rib cage. Okay, so inhale, exhale, and row back. You should feel your glutes engaged and also your core. Okay, and if you want to make this harder, you can either cross your strap or you can increase the tension of that band or you can widen your stance. Okay, so inhaling, exhale. Good. And if you can see where my end posture is, I'm squeezing between my shoulder blades and I'm keeping my wrists in a nice neutral position here. Okay, so that's the second exercise. And the last one is basically going to be an elevated plank. So you can do that on a piece of furniture. But basically, you're going to have your hands here. Okay, I'm going to show you. You're going to widen your stance a bit. And you're going to plank here. So you can do it elevated, you can do it from the floor, you can do it from your knees, but you want to keep your core engaged and your glutes nice and tight. And hold that plank for about 10 seconds, however you feel. If you're pretty far along and you can't do a full plank, you can do it also from a wall. You can do it from your elbows and your knees, but you want to engage your core and squeeze your glutes to help stabilize your pelvis.